Now, Forex trading isn't about buying and selling currencies. It's a game of strategy, patience, and skill. But did you know that there are multiple ways to make money in Forex beyond just trading? Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, today I will review 7 powerful ways to turn Forex into steady income stream. The last tip is a hidden gem most traders overlook. My name is James gbpusd. I teach you how to make money, show you the best Forex trading strategies. Number 1, trading for profits, which is a classic way to make money in the Forex market. Of course, the most obvious way to make money in Forex is by trading currency pairs, right? This involves analyzing the market, predicting price movements, and executing trades. Right? Day traders make big moves while swing traders hold position for days and weeks. Mondays to succeed, you need a solid trading strategy, risk management, and emotional discipline. But remember this, Forex trading isn't gambling, right? You need proper analysis and a clear mindset to be able to make cool lot of cash. If not, you just end up blowing your account within some seconds. So number 2, copy trading while learning. Copy trading is a great way to earn in the Forex market. Am I understood? While learning from experienced traders. It allows beginners to automatically copy the trades of professional traders. Am I understood? Meaning you don't need a deep market knowledge to start making money. Platforms like eToro, right? Zulu Trade, OctaFX, and my FX will provide access to top-ranked traders with proven track records. So to begin, you simply choose a trader based on their performance, risk level, and strategy. When they open and close trades, your account mirrors their actions in real time. So this method is ideal for those who want passive income. So however, copy trading isn't risk-free, right? You must research trader carefully, diversify your portfolio, and set risk limits to protect your capital. While it offers a shortcut to profitability, right? Long-term success still requires market understanding and strategy. So if you want to start copy trading, let me know at the comment section. I will also direct you on how to do that. Forex Pro Firm trading. So Forex Pro Firm trading allows you to trade with firm's capital instead of your own. Am I understood? So giving you access to large trading accounts without risking personal funds. Am I understood? So Pro Firm like My Forex Fund, Fundedness, the 5%, and so many of them. The link is right at the description. Just go click on them. This offers traders the chance to prove their skills by passing an evaluation challenge. So if successful, you receive a funded account and earn a percentage of the profits, often from 70 to 90%. The challenge usually involves researching a profit target while following strict risk management rules. If you pass, the firm funds your account. Right now, this allows you to scale up quickly. The best part is you don't risk your own money. Prop trading requires discipline and a solid strategy. Failing the challenge means starting over again. So proper preparation is key. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Forex Signal Services. This way you share your trades for cash. If you are a skilled Forex trader with a consistent strategy, you can make money by selling Forex signals. Many beginners and busy traders are willing to pay for accurate trade alerts. More understood? So making this a great way to monetize your expertise. So you can offer signals through Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, paid platforms like MQL5 and Signal Stats. Traders subscribe to your service to receive entry point, stop loss, and possibly take profit level in real time. So some traders charge monthly fee while others aim through profit sharing model. In this way, running a successful signal service requires trust and consistency. If your signals aren't reliable, subscribers will leave quickly. So building credibility through a verified track record and transparent trading results is key. Forex education, you can possibly teach and earn some cool cash. So if you have strong Forex trading knowledge, teaching others can be a highly profitable way to make money, right? So many aspiring traders are eager to learn and they are willing to pay for course, mentorship, ebooks, and video tutorials to improve their skills. So in this way, you can create content through YouTube, online courses like Udemy, Teachable, or personal coaching programs. And some traders even build a membership community where students pay monthly fee for exclusive insights and live trading sessions. So the best part is once you create a high quality course or book, it becomes passive income, generating revenue even while you sleep. Right? However, to succeed, you need to build trust, showcase proven results, and provide real value, because traders won't pay for weak, outdated information. Automated trading and bots, like earning while you sleep. Imagine making money in Forex without constantly monitoring the chart. Now, automated trading bots, also known as expert advisors, right, allows you to trade 24/7 by following pre-programmed strategies. This bot analyze market conditions, execute trade, and manage risk automatically, removing human emotions from trading. Platforms like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and C-Trader support Forex bots. Am I understood? You can either buy a ready-made expert advisor from marketplace like MQL5 and my FX book, or develop your own if you have coding skills. Automation sounds great, right? It's not a guaranteed money machine. Some bots fail in unpredictable market conditions, so backtesting and demo testing are possibly essential before going live. Also, be conscious of scams. Many bots promises unrealistic returns. The last one, which you might possibly be waiting for, affiliate marketing for Forex brokers. Did you know that you can make money in Forex without even trading at all? So affiliate marketing allows you in particular to earn commission by referring new traders to Forex brokers, right? So many brokers offer affiliate programs where you get paid every time someone sign up and trade through your referral link. Platforms like SNES, which is my core platform that I use for trading, the link is right at the description, and another platforms like IC Market and FXTM offer high paying affiliate programs, with some brokers paying CPA, like cost per action commissions, of up to $1,000 per referral, or possibly ongoing revenue sharing models where you earn a percentage of your referrals trading activity. To succeed, you can promote your referral links through a Forex blog, YouTube channel, Telegram group, or social media platforms. My understood. So the more traders you refer, the more passive income you generate. Am I understood? Some top Forex affiliates make thousands of dollars per month just by sharing valuable content and attracting new traders. Transparency is key. Recommend brokers you genuinely trust. You risk losing credibility. Also, check withdrawal terms. Also, some brokers have strict payout condition. And let's make some cool lot of money together. So if you find value in the video, all you just go and do right now, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and possibly see you in the next video. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. So if you want one-on-one class, click InvestPay at the description and send us an email, and someone will respond to you immediately and your class will begin right now. So see you in the next video, and peace out.